Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-nominated producer Teflon Zingfence has initiated a Curfew Riddim challenge, urging artists to deliver their best verses on the rhythm. The challenge has gotten global responses from artists including rapper Kicks from France and local DJs like Zaga, Yardcore and Kabaka Pyramid.
Yo Teflon, why pre? I see you ready my shell down IG. I couldn't make it pass and I not say something fast, cause you know me full of flow like waves and lime key. But for the time being, I lock up in my yard to keep a good hygiene.
Speaking with E-Prime, Teflon Zingfence shared the creative process producing the Curfew Riddim, which draws influence from the COVID-19 quarantine and government-implemented curfew.
Yeah, quarantine was the whole vibe, finishing the rhythm, because the rhythm was created already, but it wasn't like fully finished, so we'll just add a couple more sounds to it, arrange it around, and structure it to the whole vibe of what's going on right now with this quarantine thing and, you know, COVID-19 thing. So yeah, it was inspiration from that too as well.
Teflon Zingfence is the producer of Blazing, featuring Jane McGizmo on Coffee's 2019 Grammy-winning EP Rapture. Now to news overseas, where Drake previews a new collaboration with Popcorn. During an Instagram live session, Drake was previewing some new music and collaborations from his upcoming album and shared the track All I Need, which features dancehall DJ Popcorn.
She count me the best thing. Your body is a blessing, and you know the killing just a free when you breast me.
The track might appear on Drake's 6th untitled upcoming album. Drake won a Grammy for his album Take Care, released back in 2013. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.